My name is Sarah.
And I'm Tilly, and we work for WOTSO.
WOTSO is a flex space provider across Australia and New Zealand.
At the moment, we're located at WOTSO Manly, which is up at North Head Sanctuary. It's, I guess, a really different work environment. It sort of takes you out into nature. It's quieter than being in the city or even in the suburbs, so I think it's just a nice change. When we first came up and saw the buildings at North Head, we had a vision of how we wanted to transform the space and, I guess, renovate it. And the Harbour Trust really, I guess, trusted us and believed in what we wanted to do, and they really backed us. The other part that was really helpful is a lot of the time when you're making changes like this, you're typically dealing with a council, and sometimes communication can be, few and far between, whereas with the trust, we would ask questions and pretty much have answers the same day, and they were just really great at communicating with us when we were trying to get things approved. One thing that I think is really special about leasing with the Trust is, the areas that they're located. All of their facilities or spaces are literally on Sydney Harbour, whether it's North Head or Cockatoo Island or down at Platypus. They're all on Sydney Harbour with amazing views or amazing scenery, and you're not going to get that if you just take a lease in the middle of the city somewhere.